Hi, everyone. One more thing I will be keeping an eye on this week, in addition to the specific discrete events that are scheduled, is just what happens in the bond market. As we've seen, the bond market does not take kindly to the level of debt that comes with the big, beautiful bill. And as that works its way through the Senate, we'll see some impacts, I'm sure. But something that's also impacting the bond market that I don't think a lot of people are aware of is activity by the Fed. As we know, the Fed's traditional means of influencing economic activity is through the federal funds rate. They would lower this rate if they believed that the economy was cooling as a means to stimulate activity, or they would increase this rate if they saw that the economy was too hot and inflation was too high as a means to cool the economy. So they've said that they are holding on interest rates because it's uncertain which of the dynamics is going to prevail. Will we see high inflation coupled with economic growth, or will we see lower inflation coupled with economic contraction? Well, they've started purchasing larger scale quantities of US Treasuries as a backdoor monetary policy that suggests they believe that the economic contraction is going to prevail. So by purchasing these treasuries, they're effectively muting what would otherwise be a more dramatic dynamic in the bond market right now with even higher yields. Because this practice injects liquidity and capital into the bond market, lowers interest rates, and increases the money supply. It's effectively like printing money. So, an unintended consequence is that it could heat up inflation, lower the value of the dollar, and just increase the financial instability. The American Action Forum actually started tracking the Fed's balance sheet as a means to detect this type of activity. I will include their link in this post so you can see what's happened in this area. But I wanted to post about it because it has raised the eyebrows of many experts and bond investors. It's a red flag that raises the level of uncertainty in the markets. I hope that helps.